Hey, drop top time here at Unique Especially in Classics. This one's a 1997 Jaguar XK8 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at 66,246 right now. Anthracite is the paint color on this with the dark charcoal leather interior, the bucket seats. 4-liter underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Take a look at the front fascia. And as you can see, paint shows well on this one. It's a dark color. You're going to have a few spots where there's some imperfections, but overall it does show well. I'll kind of point out some of the things I noticed. First, I want to let you know where to check out all the still pictures, though. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. We can see all those pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on chrome wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A couple little tiny spots like this where you may have a little bit of touch up here or there, but overall, I mean, you look at the reflection in the paint. You can see the paint has a nice deep luster to it. And again, leather buckets. There's a back seat in these, of course. Center console, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Beautiful dash. Interior looks very stock, that AM/FM cassette player. Like heated seats, electronic climate control, steering wheel controls, power top. We are going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. We'll also put the top up, show you how that functions, check out the condition of it. And then at the very end of this video, we will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, I want you to all remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One little spot in the clear back here, kind of imperfection back here in the paint. That's probably the most major one I noticed, but again, it's not that this car looks bad, still has a nice shine to it. Good looking car, fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, just putting the top down and driving. Still pictures again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking at them. If you like these imports, maybe you're into Jaguars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can see it to make it to see us in person, I should say. And of course, the modern amenities that you're going to have: dual power seats, your power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating, again, steering wheel controls, cruise control, all of that stuff. Power tilt column. And again, AC blows cold. There's your exact miles, 66,246. Let's fire this up. All right, let's take a look at that dash. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Tax working over here. Fuel gauge came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, voltmeter, and of course, stereo system. That is working. I did mention AC blows cold. One of those, get in the car, turn the key and go. Love the looks of the dash in this car. And seating surfaces, nice condition. Not much wear in the bolster at all. I guess kind of what you'd expect with a well taken care of luxury car with a clean Carfax, not a ton of miles. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. I want to show you the engine bay, and then like I said, I'll show you the convertible top and how it functions going up and down. We'll also check out the condition of it. And stick around to the very end. We'll do a little driving video on this car also. There we go with the hood open, so you can see the underside of the hood, hood liner, Nice condition. There it is, 4-liter V8 Jaguar power. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice clean and tidy engine bay, smooth running. I also wanted to mention, notice the power antenna did raise up back there, so you can see the power antenna is also working. Slip around to the passenger side so we can get a look at the engine bay over here. Again, nice and clean and tidy. No surprises underneath there. That hood liner nice and clean also. Doesn't look like this thing's really been driven in much spring climate weather, which doesn't surprise me. All right, let me go ahead. I'm going to close this hood up, shut her down. I'll get the camera set up so we can check out the convertible top going up and down. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Take this car for a drive. All right, and convertible top all the way up so you can see how it functions. Works fine. Rolled up the side glass. You can see how the side windows fit. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric top. Side glass, nice tight fit. Of course, glass rear window. Rear defog, electronic rear defog in there. There isn't much wear on this at all, if any. No rips, tears, holes, discoloration, nothing like that. The top is in nice shape. Functions as it should. I'm gonna go ahead and one last time put this in the tripod so we can watch the top go down. But remember, 1997 Jaguar convertible XK8, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And let's check this top out going down.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1997 Jaguar XK8. Very nice looking car. Jaguar always had a good design, good body lines. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Very smooth acceleration and throttle response in this car. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today on this beautiful summer day. Factory stereo sounds good. Oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. In the center we have a clock, and in the third slot we have a battery gauge right in the center of the gauge as well. Factory tachometer on the far left. Speedometer is working as it should. Fuel gauge reading half a tank, and the temperature right in the middle. It looks like they want to run them right in the middle of the gauges, and they did. Very comfortable leather bucket seats in this car. The AC is blowing cold. Though we do have the top down, it's sometimes fun to run the air anyway. Even more comfort. Corners very nicely. Hugs the road well. Pushing the throttle down, the transmission did kick down as it should. Very smooth running car. We don't get a lot of Jaguars, and this one is a very nice example. You're going to want to take a look at all the pictures to learn about this XK8 at uniqueclassiccars.com.